Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever wanted to send multiple files at once, save storage space, or keep your documents neatly packed together? Well, that's exactly where zipping files and folders becomes very useful. And the best part is, Windows 11 already has this feature built in, so you don't need to install any extra software. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to zip files and folders in Windows 11 and also how to unzip them when needed. Let's get started. First, locate the file or folder you want to zip. Right here, I have some folders and files for a project I'm currently working on, and I want to send everything to a client. Now imagine sending all these files one by one. That would take more time and can easily become disorganized. So instead, I'll compress everything into one single zip file. You can zip a single file, multiple files, or even an entire folder. For mine, I want to zip all these files and folders together, so I'll just drag over all of them to select everything. Once selected, right-click on any of the highlighted items. From the menu that appears, hover over Compress To. You'll now see Zip File as the first option, and that's exactly what we want. Go ahead and click on it, and just like that, Windows instantly creates a new zip file in the same location. You can now rename the zip file to anything you want. And that's it. Your files are now compressed into one neat package, ready to share, upload, or store. Now let me also show you how to unzip a zip file. Maybe someone sends you a zip file, or you downloaded one from the internet. Here's how to open it. Simply right-click the zip file. Then select Extract All. A new window will appear asking where you want the files to be extracted. Choose your preferred location, then click Extract. Windows will automatically extract all the files and open the folder with everything ready to use. Simple, fast, and very useful. But why should you zip files or folders in the first place? Here are a few important reasons. First, zip files can reduce file size. That means they take up less storage space on your computer. Second, it makes sharing files much easier. Instead of attaching many separate files to an email, you can simply send one zip file. Third, zip folders help keep files organized. Everything stays together in one place, making it easier to manage project files, documents, images, and more. And finally, some websites and platforms only allow zip uploads when submitting multiple files. So knowing how to zip files is definitely a useful computer skill to have. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials from Zimist Coded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.